right, so we got the Mustang up on the racetracks. We are gonna start pulling stuff off after pulling the motor out. Gonna take off the front suspension, send the struts out. Got some stuff pulled off the Firewall, got the coil off there, got this shock sensor. I'd like to take off these fire suppression lines, drill those rivets out. Got the windshield pulled out of there, all 100 windshield screws. If you know, you know. But next is the suspension. We plan on pulling the front wheels and tires off.
Glass out.
Back glass.
Pull out the two bottles, the rear wheels, the front suspension. Converter, get that off the FTI.
Yep, send that out to get it at least looked at and see what they think of it. And maybe a drive shaft RPM graph and the packaging. Front wheels off. We're gonna take the rack off too and the struts and basically strip the front end. Yep. Mustang update. We got the front end pretty much tore down. Just the master cylinder is the only thing that is remaining, which he was in the process of taking off, which it looks like it's draining now. Yeah. So we'll let that drain and do its thing, but I was able to wipe down the Firewall. Looks good. The soot just came right off. Bleach, Clorox bleach and like a sterile rag actually do wonders.
Some sandpaper to follow.
Yes, but looks really good, and excited to see it cleaned up.
Biggest thing's gonna be finding the color.
Yeah, color's gonna be a hard one. Specifically this one, but it's hard to find whatever color this is. So when it comes to coffee anymore, I'm slightly addicted. My girl did buy me a mug for my birthday. Actually, no, it was Valentine's Day. That said "World's Best Boss." So unfortunately, I don't have that today, and I am the boss of myself. So, however, we've been making some really good strides with the CNC. We have a product modeled in Fusion. We are just making that a reality. We've done a handful of test run pieces with the product and had to go back and make some revisions to make it a little bit better and a little bit more better on the tolerances. However, fortunately or unfortunately, with the parts, summertime, it's normally kind of slow So it's really been giving me a lot of time to focus on this. And I'm an Aries, so I'm sure much like some of you, when I get on something, I have tunnel vision, and that is all I want to focus on. Same thing with Fusion. Really only messed with Fusion a little bit beforehand, and now I am like a whiz kid in it. So not saying I'm perfect in it, not saying I know everything. I'm definitely getting better. So we got this thing going. We have had to do a little bit of updates to it. So a few things that we had to do was the water, the coolant pump, it was sticking. So I had to pull it out and unstick it, take the top off, and look at the veins and get out a bunch of just junk that accumulated in there from, you know, being ran and stuff like that. It just wasn't ideal. So now that I've been machining for a couple weeks, I've definitely figured out now what I like, don't like, need, and don't need. One thing is for certain that I don't like, and I'm gonna show you. So one thing that I hate, and it's so silly, is this keyboard. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a numbers over here kind of guy, and with the numbers up there, I'm not a fan of it. So, I mean, I kind of understand it, so it is what it is. Also, one thing, I'm a labeler. Labels. More labels. And even more labels on the race car toolbox. All right, let's go ahead and label the CNC machine so I know for future reference. It's printing. Also, don't mind the bad label, it's almost dead anyway. Also, got to see what Daisy's up to in her very small bed that I ordered wrong. What? Say hi to the YouTube. Everybody's missing you. She's not saying much.